Hey guys, Nancy here. We're doing where everything is totally normal and regular, and the Squixmate. Okay, we are on Squixmate. Fire, fire, fire. Oh, sweet. Fire in the water, that's just bomb. It's cray-cray. It's cray-cray. Forest fire. Save the trees, people. Oh, be careful doing stuff like this. See? See what I mean? You might die from poison. Not here. Oh gosh, what is up with this? Where are we? Park Lake? Thought there was some. Huh. Oh gosh, I wasn't supposed to do that. Oh gosh, I'm gonna die. But don't worry, we're on the Squixmate. 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 I think that's how you pronounce it. Squixmate. No. Hey, where are we? We're in regular show, right? Everything is completely normal and regular and nothing goes wrong. Are we at the park or what? Doesn't seem like regular show. It seems like totally not normal show. Yeah, that's what it seems like. This is what I feel like. Ooh, look at all the glitter. Glitter. Fireworks. Too real. Ding! Where'd that go? Must have been aiming at that house. Bang. What's that? Stop! Completely normal show. This game should be called not a regular show. But I'm playing totally not normal world. This isn't the park, is it? Is this the park house? Where's Wrigley's trampoline? Wrigley. No. That's in the park. That beat up. Or that. Whoever built this didn't build it that cleverly. You ever seen regular show? Or did they just... didn't make me watching this. By the way, this is Koma. Nam El Sum Mate. Maet. Die. Nam El Sum Mate. Wait, is this supposed to be a trailer? Well, it's not a trailer. Okay. This is no longer called regular show. It's called Not Cleverly Built Show. Yeah, Not Cleverly Built Show. Swing! These swords are huge. Yeah, bridge! Destroy! Swing. Ooh, who's that? Oh yeah, that's our... I'm gonna see what's up there. I'll be right back. Jump. Boing. Jump. This goes on forever. Somebody's here. They're probably from the team of... Ah! They're really clever. They're shooting me with rockets. Doesn't get any more clever than that. By the way, thanks for watching, everybody. I know it just got interesting, but my limit is 5 minutes for each episode, I guess. Wait, was I reading this backwards? Team Skips. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, spam that like button, and leave a like. Put it on Z out.